friends, good morning and welcome to all of you in our advanced spoken English classes. Thank you very much for giving me this golden opportunity. I would like to say few words on garden. My grandmother has a very beautiful garden, and in their garden there are lot of trees of fruits, and there are lot of flowers trees are also there. And I like to take care of my grandmother garden, and the garden is very beautiful, and it has many trees just like mango, and we all children are enjoying to catch the mango from the tree, and we all are enjoying to eat mango together. So I always like to visit my grandmother house because I like it very much, and I really like the greenery of the around myself. I like green plants, trees, and I like trees. That's why I always visit in summer vacation to my grandmother house.
Pain.
Pain. Pain. Pain is a very single thing, but pain has a future of our all our future. It contains our future, because without pain we cannot build our future, because it is a, we can say that it is a Brahma Astra for student. So we need in every field we have to use pen. It is a single, but it has vast use. Time. In today's world, time is a major concern for everyone, because time, we are wasting our time and by ignoring it. But we should respect our time, because if time is one time, if time is gone, then it never come again. So we should utilize our every second of our time in a good purpose. We should not waste our time in a bad work, and if we use our time in a good manner, then we will definitely get a success in our life.
Okay, what is the next topic?
Water.
Water.
Water play a very great role in the life of everyone, because water is, we can say that water is a lifeline of our life, because it has because without food we can survive for at least 2 or 3 days, but without water we cannot survive. So water perform a very great role in the survival of human life.
Yes. Next. Mobile.
Mobile is an electronic device which it has many vital role. It used to many in many fields, just like it is used to our work. It is used in our office. It can be used in our college presentation purpose, because I use mobile in my college presentation. That's why I said mobile has many advantages, just like it can be used for access the internet, and we can use mobile for WhatsApp, and we can use mobile for calling purpose. We can use mobile for messaging, torch, calculator, calendar, clock. So many things we can use mobile.
Yes.
Bhilai.
Bhilai city. Yes, come on.
I live in Bhilai city, and Bhilai city is very famous for so many things. Just like it has a big BSP, that is Bhilai Steel Plant, and it is Bhilai Steel Plant is famous not only India but all across the Asia. So that it is very famous, and Bhilai city has also many tourist places, just like it has a Surya Mall. The structure of that mall is very famous, because it has very good structure. And then Bhilai city is also famous for coaching center in civic sector, and there many people all across the country, they are visit in the coaching center. So Bhilai city is very neat and clean, and I like my city very much.
Yes. Okay. Next is advanced spoken English class.
I am a student of advanced spoken English classes Bhilai 3, and I learned so many things from this classes, because previously I speak English but I am not confident, but now I am standing in front of you because of that class, and I can speak in front of people because of that class, because this class provide me a lot of confidence and lot of knowledge in many fields. So I said it is a very great opportunity to me to have like this class. So I am very thankful to my sir and all my colleagues who study in this class and who support me in every step of my life. Thank you so much.
Yes, next topic.
Importance of speaking skill.
Importance of speaking English is very important for our life, because if you have knowledge and you are not able to speak, then it is a very worst thing of you, because speaking is a quality and you should know how to speak, how to express your feeling in the front of people, because if you're not able to speak, then people will ignore you. So, and people think that you are not able to achieve any big goal. So speaking is I think speaking is a very important for our life. We should their knowledge is not enough. We should try to speak in front of, we should try to express the knowledge in front of people.